Okay, we're in Murrieta at 30847 Nature in Murrieta. In the new community, Party Homes off of Nature. Here is the neighborhood. And we are in the model home. Okay, so the driveway is not what it seems. There's like a grass front driveway, but it's not does not have the grass. 30847. And we're gonna head in. And it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's called the Modern Prairie exterior. And they have $330,000 in ultra premium designer upgrades and landscaping. So landscaping's all done. Okay, downstairs we have beautiful tiled bathroom. There's your mirror, backsplash, upgraded sink fixtures. Looks like also upgraded wall fixtures, towel rack. We're going to enter into bedroom number 1 downstairs. Good sized closet. And back up. Okay, and then your view from this bedroom is your front driveway and the neighbors. Okay, I'll put you on pause and okay, now we're gonna head down. We're still downstairs. And we have the front entry. The flooring is like looks like a good, either like a cement tile and a tile flooring. Really nice, beautiful kitchen area with designer upgrades again. GE Cafe stainless steel appliances, upgraded Kona shaker cabinets, Lincoln white quartz counters, and all upgraded flooring. It's a similar flooring. Desk, little office space area, and then your continuation of the kitchen. Nice island, and then looks down to the family room and dining area with really pretty shades, upgraded shades. Looks like the wicker shades. The community has 2 pools. It's $128 a month, and so that's not bad. And it's got a really nice large pantry, which is always awesome. So actually the pantry size is really good. And it also has shelvings on the other side too. So we're gonna go back out. Appliances are, it's the Cafe Series appliance. Oh, can't see what brand. Oh, I guess it's just all cafe. Must be, can't think of who this brand is, but we'll figure it out. GE. GE, sorry. Okay. All right. Outdoor area. Going outside. Oh, little pigeon. Okay, so you have, it's a good size, not huge backyard, but for a model home. Side yard. And you're actually overlooking the pool. and park area. So it's like right here. And the pool is huge. So that's nice. Nice, good sized pool. And now a little covered area. And go back in house. Okay. Go through to, so that's your downstairs. And then looks like there's your space for a little Harry Potter room. And a epoxy flooring, 2-car, looks like actually 3-car garage. So you have a tandem with, so yeah, house comes with solar, and also there's your hot water heater and all built-in closets or built-in cabinet space. So let's go back in. Okay, then we're gonna go upstairs. So front space, and the shades are really pretty. Let's see the style of shade. Okay, I'll go back up. Go up the stairs, upgraded carpet, and upgraded railing. Very pretty design on the railing. And the railing goes all the way around to your loft area. And we'll start on this side, which is the master. Good size master. It's got a little nook, an office nook. And you are overlooking the pool area again. Okay. And you're going to go down tile, and it's got good size walk-in closet with, oh, there's your attic. Built-ins.